Online class for kids.
Hello there. Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. After a long day of playing outside, we get very tired. When that happens, our body starts craving for water and food. And that's because we need to replenish our body's energy reserves. We get back that energy from eating food. And to extract that energy from food, we get back of our digestive system from eating food. Let's learn more about the digestive energy from food. We need the help of our digestion is the process of breaking down food mechanically and enzymatically to make it absorbable. The digestive system and the process of digestion starts in the mouth. Food is broken down first through chewing, which is aided by our saliva, which contains enzymes that help speed up the process. After food is broken down in the mouth, it is swallowed down with the help of the tongue. It passes through the esophagus or the food pipe and arrives at the stomach. The stomach produces strong acid and enzymes which kill the majority of microorganisms that can make you sick and further break down food particles into a liquid mixture. They stay there for hours depending on the type of food you are eating, the amount of food, and many other variables. After the stomach comes the small intestine. When the food reaches the small intestine, the liver secretes bile, which break down fats, and the pancreas releases enzymes to further break down the food particles. When the food particles are broken down enough, the small intestine starts absorbing water and digestive nutrients into the bloodstream, where other parts of our body can use them. This process continues as the food particles go through the entirety of the small intestine. The food particles that don't get absorbed by the small intestine go to the large intestine. The large intestine is where the body can absorb water and minerals for the last time. So as the unwanted particles reach the end of the large intestine, they turn into solid stool, which then excreted out of the body. And that's the digestive system. Let's see if you remember what we just learned. This is the process where food is broken down to be absorbed by the body. Digestion. Good job. Digestion starts in the mouth. Good job. When the food particles reach the end of the large intestine, they turn into solid waste called Good job! I hope you enjoyed learning. See you next time for another fun-filled learning, only here at Online Class for Kids. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.